Every passing day, we're getting a new look of Galaxy S24 Ultra, including the new camera details and full details of what new to expect from S24 entire lineup. But the most important thing which was not clear was the price of S24 Ultra and even the other two models. But now it's confirmed and I have a good news for you guys. According to Exynos, I also heard the price reduction of Galaxy S24 series from my source. The stock of Galaxy S24 Ultra and S24 Plus is very large this time. This is a great news for the people who are going to buy S24 Ultra with the lower price. But I still mention which country we're going to see a price decrease, because as per previous rumors, US will have the same price across all models, which will be $799 for S24, $999 for S24 Plus, and $1199 for Galaxy S24 Ultra. Also, now we have the European prices for the entire lineup of Galaxy S24. And there's a good and there's a bad news. Yes, the prices are dropped and increased on some models. S24 base model costs you €899 instead of €950 for 128 gigs and €959 instead of €1,010, where S24 Plus cost us €1,149 instead of €1,200 for 256 gigs version and €1,269 instead of €1,320 for 512 gigs version. Both S24 and S24 Plus saw a price drop in the European region, but S24 Ultra will see a price hike on the base model, €1,449 instead of only €1,400 on S23 Ultra. But the higher storage models are slightly cheaper. Weird pricing from Samsung, and this can be vary from country to country in the European region. And there's a reason for Samsung to drop the price on S24 or S24 Plus. Yes, all the European countries were going to get the Exynos 2400. This helps Samsung to keep the same price in the US and even reduce the price in the European region, just because of adding Exynos 2400. At least for now, Exynos 2400 is not up to the mark against the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Samsung just exclude one feature from Galaxy S24 Ultra at the last moment, but before talking about that, a subscribe to the channel will be amazing. In the third quarter of 2023, we started getting news about the satellite connectivity coming to the S24 Ultra. Couple of big headlines comes in quoting Samsung LSI division confirming the support of satellite connectivity next year. But a recent report denied all of the previous rumors. According to ET News, the original Galaxy S24 Ultra is tested with the different mobile carriers, and they didn't find a support for satellite connectivity in S24 Ultra. Although One UI 6.1 has a feature of emergency services, but it seems like Samsung is taking another year to perfect the feature before making it live on a Galaxy phone. This brings Galaxy S25 Ultra the first phone to have this feature. Although this feature is an advanced version of the iPhone 14 series, it will be two ways where you can send and receive messages, and you can also share your location while there is no cellular connection available. For people who are looking for the display of S24 Ultra, I have another amazing look of Galaxy S24 Ultra. It looks amazing. The flat display looks really good just because of having a symmetrical bezels, and even every wallpaper looks really good on S24 Ultra. Although the outer bezels on S24 Ultra are really thick in size, but the inner bezels on S24 Ultra are really small, around 1.5mm, which is why S24 Ultra looks really good. Along with improving the durability through flat display, S24 Ultra is also going to get a new glass, which is GG Armor, much stronger than the Victus 2 on S23 Ultra, and S24 Ultra will be the first phone to feature this new glass. The cameras and the new AI features is what matters the most on S24 Ultra. First, let's talk about the cameras and then AI. Galaxy S24 Ultra will going to feature an updated 200MP ISOCELL HP2SX sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide sensor, a 10MP 3x telephoto sensor, and a 50MP 5x telephoto sensor. Let me share some more info on 50MP 5x. According to the source, the 50MP 5x brings the equal quality at 10x optical zoom. A big claim though, but it's real. There are a couple of new features coming to the cameras, and one of that feature is already launched from Samsung called Zoom Anyplace, where now you can record two length videos at the same time. This will work with two modes. 2x, and 4x, and it will further stabilize your footage. Now with this, you will not going to see a quality drop as it will record in 4K resolution. Well, this is the video feature, but Samsung also added a new feature called E2E Romasic AI feature, which will going to reduce the time to take a picture. Remember S23 Ultra, as it takes around 1 or 2 seconds to take a full 200 megapixel resolution picture. But according to Samsung, this new feature will going to reduce the time by half, so you can take a picture of a fast moving object with a 200 megapixel resolution. Along with this, we are going to see another option where now you can switch between different lenses while recording 4K 60 frames per second, thanks to 50 megapixel 5x telephoto sensor. With these, Samsung is also giving us amazing AI features, including Samsung's own AI model exclusive for Galaxy S24 Ultra named Samsung Gauze, aka Galaxy AI, and it brings a lot of new AI features for daily life usage. First, it will going to give us a feature to draft our emails with little to no effort by using AI. Also, you can now summarize your document just with a single click, and you can even translate the same document. With the new image model, you can create a new image just with a single prompt, more like a Midjourney but on device, and you don't need internet connection to do so. Samsung also added a code model to help software developers to write a code easily and quickly. With the new Galaxy AI, Samsung gave us a feature called AI Live Translate call in real time, both in text and audio integrated in native phone dialer. According to the source, initially it will going to support 10 different languages. Not only this, did you guys remember Google gave us a feature called Night Sight Video in the Pixel 8 Pro? Well, the same feature is coming to the Galaxy S24 Ultra by the name Night Vision. But there is a difference between these two features. Google uses cloud services to give us this feature, but Galaxy S24 Ultra will going to process this on device, all thanks to Qualcomm AI engine. Google also gave us a feature called Magic Eraser to remove unwanted objects from a picture, but Qualcomm is one step ahead and gave us a feature called Removing Objects in a Video. Samsung is working heavily on generative AI, and Qualcomm is at its best, where now we are going to see a feature called Photo Expansion to extend your original image by using AI. There is one cool feature coming exclusive to S24 Ultra, and people were waiting for this for months. Google launched a feature called Ultra HDR with Android 14, and according to Exynos, Galaxy S24 Ultra will going to support HDR images in photo album similar to Ultra HDR. For those who don't know what is Ultra HDR, well, now if you take a picture in HDR, you can also view the picture in HDR in photos. Before it was in SDR, and after getting this feature, now you can see the same brightness, same contrast, and same colors while viewing a picture. And these things are even confirmed from the invitation for the launch of Galaxy S24 Ultra, and this thing is leaked by Evan Bloss. According to the picture, Galaxy AI is coming, and the date of the launch is 18th of Jan, 3 AM KST, but it will be 17th of Jan in the US. The pre-orders will start after the event, and phones will be available in the market on 30th Jan. The pre-orders might include the free storage update or even the Samsung credit to buy a case or an adapter. If you guys want to see the detailed look of Galaxy S24 Ultra, then you should watch this video, and I hope you guys are subscribed. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.